NSS quiz which we are holding on account of world. So I would request Shivam, please mute yourself. Thank you. So I welcome you all once again to day 2 of the NSS safety quiz, which we started on March 4th. Before round 1, we had on March 4th and March 5th. And I'm very delighted to see that we have got 53 responses across DME. The students who participated in round 1, and 18 of you have made it to round 2. So many congratulations for that. And today we will be having the virtual session, round 2 of the quiz. So the rules of the quiz I will be displaying shortly. But before that, I would like all of you to kindly come up with, kindly switch on all videos and give a brief two-liner introduction about yourselves. So we'll begin with Yash. So Yash, you may unmute yourself and give your brief introduction.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am Yash Sharma, and I am a third year law student in DME Noida, and I love doing mooting. I am a theater enthusiast, and I love participating in these kind of quiz. So looking forward for today's event. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Yash. So next we have Shivam. Shivam, please introduce yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's good morning, ma'am. My name is Shivam Verma. I belong from BA LLB first year, and my interest is music. And I'm very enthusiastic person, and I'm always seeking to learn new things in my life. And and while this quiz is a very new experience for me, so hoping to get best results from this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shivam. Dhruv, can we hear from you?
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Dhruv Singh. I live in Delhi and I am first year law student. And my hobbies are doing reading books and doing gym.
That's good, Dhruv. Gurneet, can we have your introduction, please?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, myself Gurneet Singh. I am from PLLB Section 8 and I belong to Muzaffarnagar, UP. And my hobby is to keep me updated with current affairs. Thank you, ma'am.
That's very good, Gurneet. Ayushi, can we hear from you?
Good morning, all of you. Myself Ayushi. I'm from BA Section 8, and my hobby is singing, and that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Ayushi. Hardeep, can we have your video on and your brief introduction?
Ma'am, my name is Hardeep Kaur. I'm from first year of BA LLB, and my interest is in sports and reading books. Thank you.
That's good, Hardeep. Saubhagya, can you please switch on your video?
Ma'am, my name is Saubhagya Bansal, student of DME LLB, BBA LLB first year. My hobbies are cooking and listening to music. I am looking forward for this session to gain some knowledge. Thank you.
Okay, that's very good, Saubhagya. Ishant, can we hear from you?
I hope I am visible.
Yes, you're very much visible as well as audible, Ishant.
Okay, so my name is Shant Jain, as ma'am said, and I'm currently in third year of BLLB program in our college. And besides studying, I work as a tutor also, and my hobbies lie like sketching and cooking. Thank you. I'm looking forward to be the part of this event. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ishant. So once again, I extend this warm welcome to Dr. Smita Gupta, ma'am, convener and the program officer of DME NSS. So, ma'am, I would like you to extend the wishes to the students before we formally begin with the round.
Thank you, Shanu. Thank you so much. And my all warm wishes to all the participants who have qualified to the second round. And I hope you all have good knowledge about safety measures which should be taken because it is going to test your knowledge about it. because we have organized on the account of National Safety Day, which is very important and significant for all of us to know that what kind of safety is we can have and what all things are included in it. So that will test your knowledge. All the best. Thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm the students. The round for the I'll just do one thing. Just confirm to me whether my screen is visible to you all or not.
It is visible.
It is
Yes,
visible.
ma'am, visible.
Thank you so
is
much.
visible.
So, as you all through the round, I would request all of you to kindly mute yourselves. The one who will I'll be asking the questions from, I'll be asking that person concerned to unmute him or herself at that particular moment itself. Okay, so students, the rules for this round are each participant, all of you will be called up one by one. You will be given exactly 1 minute to answer the 5 questions which are there on the slide. Each correct answer will give you +1. There is no negative marking. And no chance will be given to you to change the answer. So as you will say your answer, I will be recording your answer. Once said, it will be treated as final. In case we have a tie, then the one who gives the maximum right answers in minimum time, I repeat, the one who is giving the maximum answers in minimum time will be the winner. The time is noted by Dr. Smita ma'am. And even if we have another tie in that situation, we will have a tiebreaker question. So we have top 3 winners and the consolation prizes. The results will be announced on call poll and you will be intimated about it on your email IDs as well. So make sure that you must have got the link to the today's meeting also through your registered email IDs itself. So keep checking your mail and we'll intimate about the winners by the end of the day. Are the rules clear to everyone? Can we begin with the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first we will have the questions from for Yash. So Smita ma'am, I would request you to kindly take note of the time, and also I would request if you could please mute yourself, ma'am, so that we do. Thank you. Okay. So Yash, your set of questions I will be displaying, and then first I'll put it on the slideshow. So your questions are, so Smita ma'am, Yash, I will be recording your answers. Please say the complete answer only. Don't just say the option, say the complete answer. Am I clear, Yash?
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
So ma'am, we are starting with Yash times. You can start his time. Are we good to go, Smita ma'am?
Yes, yes, please start.
The time started now, Yash. First question. Every year, first week of Dash is celebrated as Road Safety Week.
C, March.
Okay. Next question. For emergency, call Dash for ambulance service.
C, 102.
Okay. Next. Which among the following is not a type of hazard?
Is not. B, emotional.
Okay. Next question. The cafe is an example of.
Antivirus. D, antivirus.
Last question. You have to identify this safety symbol.
Hand wash.
Okay. Okay, Yash. Time up. Ma'am, what was the time in which Yash answered these questions?
Yes, 52 seconds.
Okay. I have noted the time for you, Yash. Okay, Yash. Thank you so much. Next, we I'll have to stop share. Okay. The next participant we will have is Gurneet. Gurneet, what's your birthday? What's your birthday date?
8 May.
Sorry?
8 May 2002.
8th is your birthday date.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will have set 8 for you, Gurneet. Okay?
Yes.
So I'll share my screen. Just wait for a minute. So we have different sets for different questions for different students. So some randomization we will get that which set will be asked to which person. So Gurneet, for you we have set 8.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm just sharing my screen with you. Just give me a minute. Okay, so I'll just put it on slideshow. Okay, Gurneet, all the best. First question, ma'am, we are starting with Gurneet's time.
Okay.
The time starts now. First question, Gurneet. If an earthquake hits while driving, should, options are there.
Ma'am, option C, pull over and get out of your car.
Next question, Gurneet. How long after a major earthquake can aftershocks continue to happen?
Ma'am, hours.
Okay.
Option A.
Next question. What does CERT stands for?
Ma'am, Central Emergency Response Terminal.
Okay. Next question. While an earthquake is taking place, you should.
Ma'am, drop, cover and hold on.
Last question. How much water you should have in your home emergency kit?
Time is up.
Ma'am,
Okay, this question does not qualify for you, Gurneet. Time has been up.
thank
So
you.
still, if you want to answer, I will just do it because we cannot repeat this set. So if you were to give the answer, what would have you been given?
Ma'am, 3 gallons per family per day.
Okay, Gurneet. Thank you. So I'll stop share my screen then. The next participant we will have is Shivam. Shivam, what is your birthday month? Birthday month is January, February, March, which it is? July. So July means set 7. Okay, so let's see if set 7 proves to be a lucky 7 for you or not. So just give me a minute, Shivam. Okay, so set 7, I have set my screen to. So I'll share it again. Okay, Shivam. Fine. Shivam, first, your time. Okay, just give me a minute. I'll have to randomize it again. Just give me a minute. Meanwhile, I believe others are able to guess that how are we going to do this. So gear yourselves up for this. So now I will share my screen. I have to set the animation to it. Okay, Shivam. Are we ready, ma'am? We can start Shivam's times. Shivam is set 7. Okay, Shivam. Please say the complete answer. First question, Shivam. When crossing the road, you should cross a pedestrian crossing when it is red. True or false? Loud enough, Shivam.
Ma'am, I cannot see your screen, ma'am.
You cannot see my screen. Why so?
But it is visible to all of us, I suppose. It is visible to me.
Yes, I should have been visible. Shivam, probably you can exit and then rejoin, and then we can have your discussion with you. Okay, then meantime, we can have Saubhagya with us. Saubhagya. Okay, Saubhagya.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, Saubhagya. Saubhagya, when is your best friend's birthday?
Ma'am, on 20th
On 20th. Okay, so 20th of which month?
November.
November. November is 11, but we do not have a set 11, so we will have set 2, 1 plus 1. Okay, and that also 2 plus 0, that is set 2. So we will have set 2 for you, Saubhagya. So I'll just share my screen with you, setting it to set 2. Just give me a minute. Okay, I believe my screen is visible to you, Saubhagya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, please say the complete answer, ma'am. We are starting with the time for Saubhagya. Your time starts now. First question, you have to identify this safety symbol.
Ma'am, can I have the options?
No, no options for the symbols.
Ma'am, I don't know the answer.
Okay. Next question, which of the following is not an antivirus software?
Ma'am, Code Red.
Okay. Next question, if you wanted to convey the most severe type of hazard, which word would you use?
Ma'am, Danger.
Next question, in full form of NCRBC stands for?
Ma'am, Crime.
Option number?
Ma'am, B.
Last question.
Time is up.
Oh. Time up, Saubhagya. If you were to answer question number 5, what would have been?
Ma'am, Green.
Okay. Okay. Good attempt, Saubhagya. Good attempt. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Then next, let us have, first I'll stop share my screen. Next, we will have it from Ayushi. Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Ayushi, please unmute yourself. Okay, Ayushi,
Yes, ma'am.
when is your mother's birthday?
8 February.
8th February, 8. Okay, so have we used set 8? We have already done. When is your birthday, Ayushi?
19 November.
19th.
November.
19th November. That again gives us a tricky one. So we'll have it a random one. Let's pick up today's date, 6th March. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
set 6 for you, Ayushi. So I'm sharing my screen with you in a minute.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
It is all set. So I'll present now. Okay. Ma'am, we are starting with time for Ayushi.
Okay.
Your time starts now. First question, Ayushi. India has the largest road network in the world.
Third.
Option number?
Third, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Every week, dash week is celebrated as Road Safety Week.
Ma'am, March.
Okay. Next. Just a minute. Ma'am, please stop the time. I'll have to
Okay.
just stop the time. We can resume time now. I hope my screen has started visible. Okay.
25 seconds has passed.
Next question, Ayushi. The law says that your employer must give you training about health and safety hazards.
True.
Next. A hazard is an activity, arrangement, circumstance, event, or occurrence that is actual or possible source of harm. Hazards can be
All of the above.
last question.
Last 5 seconds.
Last question.
Time up.
Time up, Ayushi. Last question was this one. The ultimate mantra of modern living is. If you were to give the answer, what would have been?
Careful.
You're not audible, Ayushi.
The last.
Okay. Then let us now listen. Let us have it from Shivam. Are you now able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's hear it from Shivam first, and then we will go. So Shivam has reserved set 7 for him. Shivam will be quick with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll share my screen with you all. Is the slide visible, Shivam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, ma'am, we are starting with Shivam's time.
Okay.
The time starts now, Shivam.
Okay, I'm true. Second. 50 to 75.
Okay. C, are the government traffic rules applicable in TML premises?
B, applicable.
Next. Firewalls are used to protect against?
Ma'am, 4 is not visible, ma'am.
Option 4
Ma'am,
is...
Ma'am, question 4 is not visible. It is only showing question number 1 and 2 and 3.
Question, ma'am, please stop the time. My screen has frozen. Just a minute.
Okay, ma'am, no
I
problem.
changed the slide, but it froze. It should be visible now. Is it visible? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly, ma'am, we can resume the time. Firewalls are used to protect against?
C, virus attacks.
Okay. Last question, identify this symbol.
Do not take a turn. Do not take a turn.
Okay. I have noted down your answer. Stop time, ma'am. How much time?
Time is up now. He has already done.
What was the time, ma'am? What time did he answer?
Full 1 minute. It's completed.
Okay.
All 5 questions answered when he completed. It was 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute noted. Next, we can have the questions from, you may mute yourself, Shivam. Next, we have it from Ishant. Okay, Ishant. Please come on screen, Ishant. You have to switch on your video.
I have switched it on. Is this visible now, ma'am?
Yes, it's very much visible, Ishant. So for you, I already will be not giving you a choice to select your set. It's coming to you as set 3 only. So I'm sharing my screen with you. Just a minute. I hope the screen is visible, Ishant. Ishant, is the screen visible?
It's visible now, ma'am.
Okay. So, ma'am, we are starting with Ishant's time. Your time starts now, Ishant. First question.
Yes.
National Safety Day was observed for the first time in?
1972, first answer, I guess. And which one follows?
Okay. Next, which of the following is or are threats for electronic payment systems?
Second is, I guess, third Trojan horse. What is the normal blood pressure?
Yes, tell me.
Second ka is third. Third ka is 80 upon 120. Fourth ka I'm unable to get, but it.
One minute.
Okay.
Next question, identify this symbol.
I don't know that, but fifth is which person? Fifth ka, I guess it's 2 hours. And third ka, it would be around congested area. Congested area or area where people are there.
Okay. So I freeze these answers, ma'am. What was the time?
53 seconds.
Okay, Ishant, good attempt. So I'm
Thank you, ma'am.
stop sharing. Next we have from Hardeep. Hardeep and Dhruv are left, I believe. Hardeep, are you ready? Hardeep, please say once.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, now you're audible. Earlier I was not able to hear you, Hardeep. So, okay, Hardeep, for you we have set 4. So I'm sharing my screen with you. Please pay attention. Okay. So is my screen visible, Hardeep? A quick check, please, Hardeep.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
it is not visible.
okay,
I'll start the time.
Yes, ma'am. First question, Hardeep. Sexual Harassment of Women Employees at Workplace Act came into the force in?
C, 2013.
Next question. How many types of fire extinguishers are there?
7.
Next. How can an employer prevent their employees from being exposed to hazardous substance?
A.
Next question. Identify this symbol.
No U-turn.
Next, last question.
Stop digging place.
Okay. Time's up. Ma'am, how much time?
52 seconds.
Okay, that is a close one. I believe earlier also some person had 52 seconds.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll stop share it today for now. Then we will come to the last participant. That is, there was this person, Dhruv. Okay, Dhruv. So Dhruv, for you by default, we have set 9. So may this niche of winsome 9. 9 is considered to be a very wonderful number. 9 planets, 9 goddesses. So let's hear from you, Dhruv. I'm sharing my screen with you. So I'll just share. Just do let me know if my screen is visible or not. Is it visible, Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is your question, Dhruv.
Time has started.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Dhruv. There is a traffic hold up ahead. What would you do?
Look for option B. Look for space up in the right of it.
Next question. What is the minimum age for applying a learner driver license in case of a motorcycle with gear or a light motor vehicle?
D. Option D. 18.
Next question. For normal driving on a 6-lane highway with a dividing median, which lane will you choose?
The center lane. Option B.
Next question.
When driving on a one-way street, you must not drive.
Last 10 seconds.
Reverse. Option D. Reverse.
Last question.
Option A. Give way.
Okay.
Time is up.
Ma'am, last question. We can get just quick one more second because this was a glitch from my side. What does this sign mean?
Option A. Give way.
Okay. That's it, Dhruv. Okay, thank you for your response.
Thank you, ma'am.
So we will take some time for calculation of the scores. So I can not predict that whether there will be a tie or not. But ma'am, can we have the calculation right now? And in case there is a tie, we can.
Okay, yes, absolutely fine.
Okay.
Meanwhile, students, all of you please switch on your videos so that we can have a event photograph.
And this tells me, this reminds me first that all of you have joined this NSS quiz. So can anyone tell me what is the motto of NSS, slogan for NSS?
To promote safety rules so that public is educated about safety rules and hazards.
That's the objective. No, I'm asking you the NSS slogan. What is the NSS slogan? Yes, are there any NSS volunteers? Yes, Gurmeet.
Ma'am, I guess it is not.
Yes, Ishant is saying something.
I think it is not me but you, the slogan.
It's not me but you. Yes. And any singers we have? Can we have anyone who can say a few lines for the NSS song in those who are present? Okay. So some people shying away. Okay, so just give me some minute. I'll come with the answers. Over to you, Smita ma'am.
Yes, please. Okay, students, how was your experience? Who would like to share? Okay, let us start from the seniors. Yes. How was your experience attempting this quiz on National Safety Day?
Ma'am, it was good actually. I was not feeling well, but after this quiz, I'm quite confident, yeah, that we all got to know a lot more than the normal routine. We all got to know a lot, ma'am. So yeah, really proud of whatever happened today.
Right. Okay, I think many of us, thank you, Yash. Many of us, many of the students do not even know that there is some kind of National Safety Day. So this was also with the objective so that you all can actually know about the safety measures and why this National Safety Day is celebrated. And NSS motive is basically to propagate and make awareness, not only among NSS volunteers, but even all others as well. So you among your friends and everybody, they can promote this. And this is a way through which we are trying to make people aware about general information, these kinds of information, safety, like anything which is happening on roads. This is always very valuable. We can see knowledge never goes waste. So whatever you have learned through this, even attempting through this quiz will definitely be very valuable for you and for all others also around you. Okay, Saubhagya, you would like to speak something. How was your experience attempting this quiz?
Yes, ma'am. My experience was very good as it is my first competition in DME.
Okay. So it was.
I was a bit nervous at first, but now I'm feeling confident.
Oh, that's good. Good. Thank you, Saubhagya. Yes, Shivam, will you like to share your experience? How was it?
Ma'am, my experience was very good, ma'am, because it was such a sensitive topic to speak about, ma'am. And I think the initiative started back in 1972. And we have, in each and every year, we have different themes. For example, this year we have a theme of road safety.
Right.
And so we can use, these kind of themes to inculcate in people and spread awareness about, these kind of topics.
Yes, yeah. True. Absolutely. That is the objective of conducting any kind of program.
And I think as in citizen also, it is a duty also, because this is started by the central government, and as in citizen, so we can follow the footsteps of the central government.
True.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivam. Yes, Ishant, what is your experience?
I would say it was wonderful. That I would say that I actually didn't know that there's something called National Safety Day actually. So
Yes.
I would accept it that I didn't know about it, but it was
It's
very
not only you.
wonderful.
I suppose many of the participants were not knowing about it. So NSS objective is to celebrate these kinds of days so that we can make awareness about safety provisions which are there, and about these even the safety icons which are there. Many of them we do not know that what is the meaning of them. So the objectives was this only. So it is not, or don't feel anything that you were not knowing, but many of us were not knowing about it.
Yes, ma'am. It was
Okay.
wonderful and a great learning experience, I would say, and a great interactive session with the newcomers as well.
Oh, yes. True. Okay. Hardeep, will you like to share your experience? Hardeep Kaur?
Ma'am, it was good one. I never had taken any part in quiz, so this was my first one. So it was a nice
Oh,
experience. And I actually never know about National Safety Day too. So I got some knowledge about this day and what is the motive and what. So that was a good one.
good, good. It is good to hear that students who have participated, maybe a handful of students, although participation has gone to 53 students participated, and you were the lucky ones who were able to qualify to the final round. And now let's see who are the fortunate ones to get those attractive prizes. Okay, Dhruv Singh, will you share your experience?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
It was very good experience. I was a bit nervous in starting, but now I'm feeling confident and I have got so many knowledgeable things.
Oh, that's good. It's good that everybody has really enjoyed it, and you have learned things from it. This is more important. Okay, Gurneet,
Ma'am, it is a very illuminative
switch
and
on your
interactive.
video.
Ma'am, give me a minute, ma'am. Am I visible?
Yes, yes. Now you
It is
may
a
give
very
your
illuminative and informative session, and it gives us a feel of healthy competition.
true, true. Okay, okay. Ayushi, thank you, Gurneet.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How was your experience participation in this?
My experience as same as Hardeep because I have never participated in any quiz like this, and it was such an informative quiz for me. For me, that's it, ma'am.
Wonderful. Thank you. It is really good to know that students realize this part, that yes, it was good and it was informative to them. So in a way, we were quite successful that we were able to at least propagate National Safety Day. So that way, being the organizer, I'm feeling very contented that yes, objective is already achieved. That we have been able to at least propagate it among these students. That yes, safety is very important, precautions are very important, and we need to know that our country is celebrating a National Safety Day to bring these things into limelight. Okay, in NSS, what do you think? What have been kind of activities? This is our first event in NSS in DME. What kind of activities would interest you more in participation? For example, as you already know, in NSS, it is not me but you. So what you will be more interested in doing such kind of activities, where you can contribute for others? Any suggestions from your side? Because you all being the volunteers, how you can get achieving this objective, how we can do this, what kind of measures we should do, what kind of activities we should organize, where we can actually do these things for others, where we can actually do it for the social cause. What do you think? What are your suggestions? Does
Ma'am,
anything? Yes.
workshops, seminars.
Workshops and seminars for disadvantaged people, are you talking about?
Ma'am, actually, I texted you on WhatsApp also that my
Yes,
idea
Shubham.
about
Yes, Shubham.
about
Yes. You have given a long list of, that's very good. You have
ma'am
contributed.
because ma'am because what I thought was if we do not work about this depression and anxiety, ma'am, because
Hmm.
there are very less people who take it very seriously, topics as such and depression and anxiety. And there are
Right.
thousands of people out there, ma'am, who help old age people or women's or small children's. But we don't take seriously, topics like anxiety, depression, and mental stress.
Absolutely, Shivam. That is true. Like mental stress, if I would say that, okay, I'm going to do something for the communities in mental health, then how you are going to approach to them? We cannot go and approach them directly because this is something which is, whenever we are going to these communities,
Yes, ma'am.
you have to do in such a manner where it is not directly. It is in
Yes,
some
ma'am.
sort of
Yes, ma'am.
indirect manner. So, what kind of
Ma'am, ma'am.
suggestions you would give to in this?
mm,
If you can put your switch on your video, it will be more connected conversation. Yes,
Yes,
Shivam.
ma'am. Ma'am, in fact, I've observed that people suffering from depression, they isolate themselves, ma'am. They don't
Yeah,
feel, liking to talk to people, ma'am. So I think
right,
my main motive would be that those people should come out of their shell, ma'am. Ma'am,
right. So, what we
yes,
should do
ma'am.
for that?
Ma'am, I think we should create a drama sort of something, ma'am, where our main topic would be coming out of your shell, ma'am. And we can inspire people, ma'am. Ma'am, because, ma'am, art depicts a lot, ma'am. And if we use music or drama or any kind of things, ma'am, so it is quite attractive also. And we get to learn something.
Absolutely, absolutely. Definitely, music
And
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 drama
people
becomes
suffer, yes, ma'am.
yes, yes.
And
Please
and
continue.
especially when you suffer from depression or anxiety, the main thing that can attract you is inspiration.
Right, absolutely. I
So
fully agree with you, Shivam, that
yes, ma'am.
many times music become a bridge
Yes,
from
ma'am.
one side to another. And
Yes, ma'am.
drama also. We have
Ma'am,
one of
ma'am,
the
in fact,
persons from Theatre Society. Yash is very active in theatre and he is a very talented actor also. I have seen
okay.
him in acts. So, yes,
Ma'am,
you would say how Theatre Society will do something in this regard?
Ma'am, I personally would love to, but sorry to say, ma'am, don't expect anything from DME's Theatre Society, ma'am, because there's a lot of problem
See,
inside the group, ma'am. But I
when we are talking on a platform, it is not about DME. Many times, some things maybe I'm not able to do it on some other platform, but some or other way, maybe on my
exactly,
own
ma'am.
individual basis, we can do many more things. That is why in NSS we keep talking about that. It is not only always see. It cannot be like this that I'm not going to do if there are not 20 people along with me. So if 20 people are not along with me, then also I am myself putting a small step ahead. That is enough. That is enough. That will take you to the lead, and there will be many more who will join you. So
Ma'am,
that I
I
would suggest,
think,
and that has been my.
ma'am,
I would say that has been my philosophy as well. That it is not necessary in every work of yours or in everything what your initiative. Everybody will be very much happy to join their hands. Maybe sometimes you will not find people around you, but that doesn't mean it is going to be demotivating, but rather you should come out with more of the motivation, with more of the zeal. So on individual basis, you have to carry yourself, who there will be many others who will follow you. Will you
yes,
agree,
ma'am.
Yash?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Shivam, you were saying something.
Ma'am, I was saying, ma'am, we as in human beings, we have to evolve also, ma'am. We have to evolve ourselves from our thoughts also, ma'am. Ma'am, we cannot say कि अगर ये बंदा नहीं कर रहा तो मुझे भी नहीं कर रहा. Ma'am, as an individual, we can take small steps, ma'am, and that is going to make a very bigger change somewhere, ma'am. So
But
instead of always
but
complaining,
no, it is not complaining, but what happens, Shivam, or all students, we all know many times it is for everybody's person's journey. Many
yes,
times we do some things, then we feel a setback, and then again we come up, then we again stand up. So it is no complaining, it is just evolving and growing. So even when Yash is sharing this, it is not a complaint. I never regard it as a complaint. I just say that we are learning these things, and it is a part of the. It is one of the stage to learn more. So it is fun,
Absolutely, ma'am.
and I feel that yes, Yash has perhaps reached to that stage where the next level is close by. So that is one of the stages. It is absolutely fine, and we should take it into that regard. It is never, there is no point of talking about even complain. Complain is a very small word, I would say. That is rather
Ma'am,
not to be in
ma'am,
our,
actually,
not to be
ma'am,
in our.
actually, I was
Shivam,
not
wait a
target.
minute. Shivam, wait a minute. I'll come back to you. Some students have raised their hands. Yes, Gurneet, you would like to say something.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to add one thing in the Shivam idea that as he said that people suffered from depression, so we can organize one-to-one session, psychological sessions, counseling sessions, so that we can take their problems and give their solutions.
Wonderful idea, Gurneet. But you know what happens when we go to the community and we talk to them? They would never like to come and tell you that, yes, I am suffering from some mental problem. Even you can observe this around us that if somebody is facing something, nobody will openly say, yes, I'm facing some kind of mental health problem. Nobody will agree to it, nobody will accept it. So it is the closer one, people who are around that person who are going to identify, yes, something is going on, and let's expose him to some kind of psychological health session. So going to the communities, we need to actually train ourselves and to learn that how we need to approach to these people, because you cannot go and ask them, okay, how many of you are facing depression, because they will won't be able to answer this, and rather they will not accept it. And it is not only they students, it is the basic human nature. If we are facing little demotivated, and if somebody is asking that question, we never say that, yes, hands raised, I'm the one who is facing a problem. That never happens. That is the point, that we talk about mental health, and we give so much importance that the people around us, friends of us, they are in continuous touch with us, they are talking to us, they are sharing their things, they are expressing their things, so that we know that yes, all our friends are having good health, good mental health. But in case somebody is, there are others, like, means I mean to say, the people who are around that person, they can identify it more. So approaching to communities directly, that who is, we can organize a session. Definitely we can organize, but such kinds of session do not have that much of success rate, until unless we are knowing that, yes, if we can make them available to reach to the exact person who is undergoing these things. And the person who is undergoing never come to the limelight. He will never come and say, yes, ma'am, I am looking out for help, so do you have some psychological session? No, that doesn't happen. Yes, Gurneet.
Ma'am, yes, I do agree. But ma'am, in psychology or sociology, we read that if according to the action, we can judge people that in something is running in his mind, his or her mind. So you are also there. You are expert in this. We can, if we apply our sociology or psychology in a person, then we can judge that he's maybe suffering from some internal thoughts.
Absolutely, absolutely. That is the best way to observe. See, observation, and then knowing about it, and trying to know about the person, trying to know what could be the reasons, and trying to provide some kind of help. So that can definitely be one of the ways how we can proceed ahead in this. That's a good suggestion, Gurneet. Anybody else?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Saubhagya.
Ma'am, in school time, we used to have a fire safety week,
Oh, yes.
in which we have a live demonstration to how to tackle situations. Once I got my cylinder stuck, my pin of my cylinder stuck, but I knew how to handle it because of the
Training which you
fire
have got.
safety week program that happened in school.
Oh, wow, that was good.
So these type of
So,
demonstrations can be effective.
yes, definitely these live experiences, live demonstrations are always very learning and very exciting, rather than having something, as we are having a online mode. But instead of that, if there is something offline where we are able to see it, that how safety measures could be taken, maybe for fire or for maybe road or for anything else, they are always more learning experience. So yes, that is also a good suggestion. Maybe we look forward that some or other day we could also do it in our own college. So that was good. Yes, Dhruv Singh, will you like to speak and give some suggestion how we could go about doing some kind of community work? Anything you would like to say?
Ma'am, we should have workshops
Workshops, yes.
like this we are having, so we can get some knowledge.
True, true. That is definitely a suggestion. Good, but we cannot go in communities and arrange for workshops because we being a level of intellect with us where we are able to grasp from the workshops. But when we go to the communities, we go to the slum areas. They do not have the same kind of level of intellect or same kind of understanding. So maybe not directly, but some other kinds or ways and means through which we can definitely approach them. Yes, Shanu ma'am, are we ready with the calculations? These students are impatient to know about their results.
Yes, ma'am. It took me a little longer than usual because I was verifying and re-verifying the answers. Reduce the ambiguity. So we have a couple of very close by situations. So first I will tell the marks. So for the maximum marks scored by any student are 4. So any guess that who had scored 4 marks? 2 people have scored 4 marks and one of them have scored it in a record low time.
Ma'am, yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, sir, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So yes, you are very right. Very, very well said. So two students scored 4 marks. That is Dhruv and Yash. But Yash scored it in a record low time. That is 52 seconds, whereas Dhruv took all of his time. So congratulations, Yash. You have scored it for 4 marks in 52 seconds. So congratulations for you. Then next. So please, applause. Okay. Next we have, this is a precarious position. For 3 marks, we had 4 people, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 people scoring 3 marks each. But the record low was done by Hardeep, again in 52 seconds. So she bags the second prize. Congratulations to you, Hardeep. So for Ishant, Shivam.
Hardeep, please switch on your video and show your smile for the second prize. Oh, that's good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Hardeep. So now for the third position, we have a tie because both, all of you, Shivam, then Saubhagya and Ishant, you got 3 questions correct each, but you all 3 exhausted your time. So we will have a tiebreaker question for you 3 people. Okay?
Ma'am, mine was in 52 seconds, I guess.
Ishant was, yes, Ishant is 53 seconds. Ishant 53. So we by default get the third position to Ishant. Yes,
okay.
Ishant is 53 seconds.
Thank you.
3 marks, 53 seconds.
Congratulations.
So
Congratulations to you all.
Ishant gets the third position. Congratulations, Ishant. So
Thank
then,
you. Yes, clap now at least.
So then 2 remaining consolation prizes we have for Shivam and Saubhagya. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So you, all of you, please confirm your correct email ID to ma'am, and then we will circulate the results through.
The email IDs on which mail was sent, that was fine, probably.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll circulate the results. Hope you all had a good enriching experience. So on the account of this entire National Safety Week, March 4th to March 10th. The NSS team is very happy to create this awareness. So keep
Yes, ma'am.
spreading this awareness ahead. Take this further. Next year, when we most likely everything situation opens well, so we may have a quiz when we all are here in the campus itself. All the best to all of you. So I would like to
Thank
thank
you, ma'am.
ma'am for initiating this idea and making this let happen. And I also would like to thank the management at DME, Honorable Vice Chairman Sir, Honorable DG Sir, Director Sir, for constantly motivating us to take these endeavors for creating this, and to the NSS Program Officer, Dr. Smita Gupta ma'am, for being at the forefront of the activities of the fair, and to all of you, all the participants who participated in all the rounds, round 1 and round 2, and a big congratulations to all the winners. So wishing you all the very best.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
Shanu.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And once again, congratulations to everyone and to winners as well. See, congratulating everyone, that means everybody has qualified some round and they have come up here, participated. That itself is also worth congratulating. So we should not feel bad about it, those who are not able to win, but rather we should be happy for those who have won. Okay.
Yes,
Thank you
that's
so much.
what this is not me, but you. So
It's
once
not
again,
me, but thank you.
God bless
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
घर पे थोड़े फैल जाते हैं